Hi, in this lab session we are going to learn how we can install R and RStudio on Linux. First step is to install R. Now, to begin first we need to update the packages. Open up the terminal and enter this command. Hit enter key. It will ask for the root password. Now, let's download R by typing this command. Hit enter key. Say yes. We have just installed R. The next thing is to check that R is installed correctly. For this, type R in uppercase and hit enter key. Let's type and run some command. Now, second step is to download and install RStudio. To download RStudio, let us just type RStudio in the search bar. Click the first official download link. Here, we are interested in RStudio Desktop. Click the download button under RStudio Desktop version. Okay, so under the download page, you are able to find the Ubuntu versions. There are two different versions. Right now, I'm downloading this one, Ubuntu 18. Download is completed. Now, let us open terminal once again and type these commands. For installation, I'm typing this command. Hit enter. It asks for the root password. Say yes. Okay, keep in mind, I have just typed the name of the RStudio. Beside this, I have typed the version of this RStudio. As you can see over here, exact the name that is given with this downloaded version. Okay, so take care of that. Okay, so RStudio installation is completed. Let's launch RStudio. And run few commands. All good, we are done.